In this lesson, we will learn how to control the light brightness with PWM. First, let's do the wire connection according to the connection diagram. Plug the LED to the breadboard. Connect the positive end of the LED to WM port D11, negative end to a 220 ohm resistor. The other end of the resistor connect to ground. Next, connect the potentiometer. One end connects to 5 volt, the middle one connects to A0, another one connects to ground. After wire connection is done, let's upload the test program to the board. First, connect your Uno to computer with a USB cable. Firstly, take a look at the sample code. You can see no libraries needed. Now open Arduino IDE, select the board and COM port. Then directly copy the program from the supporting file. The pin definition in the program is according to the circuit connection. Paste the program here. Click Verify to check compiler mistakes. If codes are correct, click Upload to upload the program to the board. After uploading is done, adjust the potentiometer. You can see the brightness of the LED is changing accordingly. Test is now complete. Thank you.